Today I am going to prove one of the important theorem for 10th standard, that is Pythagoras theorem. As you know that Pythagoras is a Greek mathematician and he proved a theorem related to the right angled triangle. The statement of Pythagoras theorem is that in a right angled triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Here hypotenuse is nothing but in a right angled triangle, the side opposite to the right angle, we call it as an hypotenuse, and it is one of the biggest side. It is the biggest side of the right angled triangle. Now let's see how we can prove the Pythagoras theorem. So as you know that it is related to the right angled triangle. Let's consider a triangle ABC, a right angled triangle. Here it is A, it is B, and it is C, and it is 90 degree. Understand? Here we want to prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Understand? So data in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Data. Then to prove what to prove, that is nothing but square on the hypotenuse, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. To prove this, we want to make a construction. So BD perpendicular to AC is drawn. 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 Then construction. Now let's move towards the proof. So here we are going to prove this theorem based on the similarity of triangles. So now let's compare the triangle ABC with the triangle ABD. In triangle ABC and triangle ABD. So as you know that it is 90 degree. So ABC, angle ABC, it is 90 degree, you know. That is equal to angle ADB, that is equal to 90 degrees. It is because of data and construction. Data and construction. And this angle is common to both the triangles. That is angle BAC. Angle BAC is equal to angle BAD. It is because of common angle. Common angle. Therefore, triangles are equiangular. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABD. So that's what the first thing. Here first we want to prove that triangle ABC and triangle ABD are similar. If they are similar, then their corresponding sides are in same ratio. As you know that in the bigger triangle, the side opposite to the 90 degree is AC. And in this triangle, the side opposite to this 90 degree is AB. And it is a common angle. The side opposite to angle in the bigger triangle is BC. By in the smaller triangle it is BD. So AC BC, we got AC BC. Then which is what is that is remained? That is AB. And in this triangle, in the smaller triangle, AB BD, then they remained B. So AB BD, then there remains AD. Let's consider these two ratios. Then what we are going to get? AB into AB, AB square, AC into AD. That is AC into AD is equal to AB square. So let's call it as 1. AC into AD, AC into AD, that is equal to AB square. So similarly, or in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC and triangle ADC, in triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Now we are comparing these two triangles. As you know, it is 90 degree, it is 90 degree, and it is a common angle. That is angle ABC, angle ABC is equal to angle ADC. Angle ABC is equal to angle ADC. The first thing. The second thing is angle C is equal to angle C. Angle C is equal to angle C. That is a common angle. Therefore, triangle ABC and triangle ADC are equiangular. Are equiangular. If they are equiangular, so that implies triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADC. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADC. If they are similar, then the corresponding sides are in same ratio or in same proportion. The side opposite to angle B is, as you know that it is AC, and the side opposite to angle 90 degree is BC. That is equal to the common angle, that is AB by BD, that is equal to, so AC AB, then they remind BC by BC BD, then DC is remaining. So if you consider these two ratios, then what I will get? AC into DC, AC into DC, that is equal to BC square. Let's call it as equation 2. Let's call it as equation 2. So adding equation 1 and 2, that is equation 1 plus equation 2. What is equation 1? AC into AD plus AC into DC, that is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. Here we can take AC as common, then we will get AD plus DC, that is equal to AB square plus BC square. Here AD plus DC is nothing but AC, that is AC into AC, that is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC into AC is nothing but AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So that's what we require. So this is actually, it is a Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Understand? And so consider this theorem, which is very important for the examination point of view. So they will ask for both the statement as well as the proof. So the statement is, and also then ask the question like this: name the theorem which is related to the right angle triangle. So which is the theorem? The theorem that is related to the right angle triangle is one and only Pythagoras theorem. And if you have any doubts, you can comment. Understand? And for further videos of mine, please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Namaste.